Hello, welcome to Maple Garden Restaurant. How many people today?
Just one, please.
Of course. Please follow me. Here is your table. Is this okay?
Yes, thank you. It's a nice table.
Great. My name is James. I am your waiter today. Can I start with some water?
Yes, please. Water is good.
I will bring it right away. Here is the menu. Take your time.
There are many things here.
Here is your water. Are you ready to order?
Not yet, sorry. Can I have more time, please?
Of course. Take your time. No problem.
Thank you. Excuse me, James?
Yes?
What is an appetizer?
An appetizer is a small dish. You eat it before the main course. It is like a small start to the meal.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
Do you have any questions about the menu?
Yes. What do you recommend?
Our tomato soup is very popular. Many people like it. And the grilled chicken is excellent.
Good to know. Thank you.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. What would you like to start with?
I would like the tomato soup, please.
Excellent choice. The tomato soup is very good today.
Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy. It is mild and creamy.
Perfect. I don't like spicy food.
No problem. I will make a note of that.
Also, I have a question. Is the soup vegetarian?
Yes, the tomato soup is 100% vegetarian. No meat.
Oh, wonderful. That is great.
And for your main course?
I am not sure. What is the difference between the chicken and the steak?
The chicken is lighter. It comes with vegetables and rice. The steak is bigger. It comes with fries and salad.
I see. I think I want the steak, please.
Of course. How would you like your steak?
Sorry? I don't understand.
No problem. For steak, we have 3 options. Rare. The inside is pink and soft. Medium. A little pink inside. Well done. No pink. Cooked all the way through.
Oh, I understand now. I would like well done, please.
Perfect. Well done steak. Anything else for the main course?
Is the steak gluten-free?
Yes, the steak is gluten-free, but the fries are cooked in the same oil as other foods. Do you have a gluten allergy?
No, I don't have an allergy. I just wanted to know.
Of course. No problem at all. What would you like to drink today?
What juice do you have?
We have orange juice, apple juice, and mango juice.
I would like orange juice, please.
Great choice. And is there anything else I can help with?
Yes, one more thing. For the steak, no spice, please. I really don't like spicy food.
Of course. No spice. I will tell the kitchen. Is there anything else? Any allergies I should know about?
No allergies. Just no spice, please.
Absolutely. I have it all here. So, to confirm your order, tomato soup to start, well done steak with fries and salad, orange juice to drink, and no spice. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Thank you, James.
Perfect. Your food will be ready in about 20 minutes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Let's learn the new vocabulary. Watch the dialogue again and speak with confidence.